Tiny Dancer Annie from Team Tiyani, and today we're gonna make slime! And go subscribe to Rebel Gaming Club. Whee! Link in bio! Supplies. So this is all the stuff you'll need to make your slime. Glue, paint, confetti if you want, contact lens solution, not Skittles, and shaving foam. And go subscribe to Rebel Gaming Club. Woo! So go check them out down below. And so the first ingredient that you're gonna need is PVA glue. Add a bunch of this stuff. Okay, not so much. That's good. Shaving foam. We're just like press on this. Okay, that looks beautiful. Now I need a spoon. It looks weird. Yeah, it just looks like shaving foam. Oh, it does smell good. This looks beautiful. Little more glue.
Gluey.
Oh my god. Worst pun ever. Cornstarch or baking soda. It smells so weird. Now we're gonna add glitter confetti. Oh my god, we need way more. A lot. That's a good amount. See? It's beautiful.
Annabelle, do you like glitter?
No.
Okay.
Just gonna mix it all in. Contact lens solution. Looks amazing. Look. We're gonna put the fluffy slime in the mason jar. Oh my god. Are you serious? My name's Jesse, I need you. There you Oh my god. Okay. This is a fluffy slime. We didn't make that much of it, which is fun. And then regular slime, we actually filled it to the complete top. And it's a little sticky. And it does glow, but it doesn't really show on camera. And go subscribe to Rebel Gaming Club. My favorite guy is Dan. No, or AAA.
Triple A?
Triple A, okay, fine. Wait, he's a battery?
No, he's a wrestler.
Oh. Team Tiyani is doing a giveaway. You have to comment which slime was your favorite and why, and the top three like best comments will win.
We just lost some Timbits. Sorry, Timbits. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.